As B&M continue watching the ride. Hi guys, my name is Vixen and today we're going to be reviewing the car rides. So yeah, let's get started.
They're currently in the caravans in York and she loves you to bits. Welcome to Greatest Hits Radio. Very nearly 11, Wall of Sound on the way. Greatest Hits Radio.
Greatest Hits Radio, supporting local businesses in Leeds with SumUp.
Running your own business is a numbers game. The 5 a.m. wake-up call, the 15-minute lunch break, your 20th transaction of the day. SumUp understands your daily hurdles and time crunches. Their payments and points of sale solutions help you get paid, process orders, and manage your money with ease. You've got one business to run. Make it count with SumUp. Visit sumup.co.uk.
Greatest Hits Radio with SumUp. Hi, thanks for joining the video call. I'm really excited to chat with you all today. Oh, sorry Jess, you're breaking up a bit there. Hi Steve, you're on mute. Yeah, you're on mute. Still can't hear you, Jess.
Oh, sorry, one sec. There's someone at the door.
Meeting's better in person. Better get a travel lodge. Find great value, king-size comfort up and down the country. And
That's Popeye.
Get tasty savings with Lidl's Pick of the Week. Save 35% on selected fruit and veg, like a bag of brown onions for 79p. British Brussels sprouts now 69p, and 6 British fun-sized apples for only 69p. Plus more savage.
She looks like Miss Basra.
Now that's big on quality and always little on price. Limited offer subject to availability. Selected stores. GB only.
If you have a chronic lung disease like COPD, bronchitis, emphysema, or severe asthma, you could be at increased risk of being seriously ill or hospitalised if you catch flu or COVID-19, which spread more easily at this time of year. But flu and COVID-19 vaccinations can help protect you from the serious effects of these viruses. So let's smash flu and COVID-19 this winter. Get vaccinated. Get winter strong. Check your eligibility and book now at nhs.uk/winter vaccinations.
Yes, guys! It's Black Friday time! And little birdie told me there we have some fab deals. Ooh, you can save up to 45% off selected beauty and fragrance.
And you can save up to 30% off selected gifts.
Amazing!
All your Black Friday deals for fashion, home and more. Plus Berry Pay. Ways to pay that work your way. Berry, let's make it sparkle. Beauty and fragrance offer ends 5th November. Gifts offer ends 8th November. Event ends 2nd December. Delivery from $3.99.
The big paint event is now on NatWix. Save on Dulux standard 2.5 litre coloured emulsion. Was £22, now £15. Shop now. Terms apply.
Extra offers end Sunday in the Furniture Village sale. Save extra with huge savings on many sofas, beds and dining sets. Extra offers in the Furniture Village sale ends Sunday. Order now until Christmas.
Read all about it. Or listen to it. The news is next. Forceps. Pliers. Spanner. Mr. Johnson, I'm glad to say your dishwasher is going to make it. Oh, that's a relief.
Got a whole emergency. With British Gas Home Care, we can fix boilers, plumbing, electrics, and even kitchen appliances pronto. Search British Gas Home Care to find out more. T's and C's apply. Kitchen appliance cover sold separately. Visit britishgas.co.uk.
Wall of Sound on the way on Greatest Hits Radio on FM, DAB, smart speaker, and now playing on Rayo. Across West Yorkshire, this is Greatest Hits Radio.
investigations continue today into the death of a 10-year-old girl in a dog attack in North Yorkshire. Emergency services were called to a house at Malton on Friday afternoon where the youngster had been bitten by a family pet. She was pronounced dead at the scene. Our reporter Nathan Marsh says North Yorkshire Police are trying to work out the breed of the animal.
The family had managed to secure the dog in a car by the time police and paramedics arrived, but sadly the girl died from her injuries. The dog was seized and remains in secure kennels while an investigation is carried out. Police are urging people not to speculate about the incident.
We're being urged to consider giving blood ahead of what's expected to be a busy winter period for the National Health Service. There are hundreds of empty appointments according to donor service bosses, and they say now is the best time to donate ahead of the colder months. Laura Wood is the manager of Bradford Centre.
Bring your phone, your book, your iPad and other things to distract yourself. By the time that's completed, you then move to the snack table and you make sure you've had something to drink and then you're able to go home.
Rachel Reeves is admitting she was wrong to make promises not to hike taxes in the run-up to the election. The Chancellor claimed she had to take action once she had a detailed breakdown of Treasury finances. That contradicted what the Leeds West MP had said before the country went to the polls.
I was taken to a room by senior officials and they set out the huge black hole in the public finances. Previous government did from the country, from Parliament, from the Office of Budget Responsibility.
Bradford City fans need to be looking out for all 11 in the draw tonight for the FA Cup second round after the Bantams 3-1 win over National League Aldershot and Valley Parade has put them through. Guiseley took League One Stevenage all the way to penalties after their match ended 1 apiece, but the home side from several divisions above were too strong and won 5-4, ending the Lions' campaign. Leeds United, meanwhile, are now in second place in the Championship. That's after a 3-0 pummeling of Plymouth Argyle at Ellen Road.
Weather on Greatest Hits Radio, the UK's most listened to commercial radio station.
Cloudy for Sunday in West Yorkshire with some bright spells, dry and mild, high 13 Celsius. That's the latest. I'm Richard Murray. Across West Yorkshire,
This is Greatest Hits Radio.
the good times.
Sound like this.
Subway and Greggs. Okay. Smart car.